Now this has happened to all of us. You turn the ignition key and you will see this in a moment and you hear a clicking noise. Perhaps you replaced the battery, the starter, still no luck. You're scratching your head. What the heck is going on? So let's jump over to the vehicle and get this situated. This is often overlooked. Now I shot a similar video many years ago, which ultimately was how to test that power is getting to the starter. And I'll link that now in case you need further help. But again, 2010 Impreza, almost 200,000 miles. Okay, turn the ignition key. See that? Click. And now nothing. Completely dead. Perhaps maybe you're even going down the road and the car shuts off. You will also see that sometimes. Now this happened first thing this morning, off camera. First thing I always do, check your battery terminals. So this, you can see it's a little bit loose. So what I did is I removed the negative terminal and cleaned the post in the inside. I'll show you that in a second. The inside of this terminal over to the positive. Look how loose this is. Look at this. And if I could just pop it off, look how chewed up that is. Now, fortunately, we can just replace this one piece. This is the original post here for the positive terminal. This pops off. This pops off, and that's it. Super simple. But you can see, look at completely. I could probably bend this almost. Yeah, it needs to be replaced. Just a quick cleanup here. Our new post, inexpensive, maybe 12 bucks. That is way better, way better. Okay, let's give it a shot. See how we do here. Oh. Keys. Okay, this car has been sitting for a few weeks, so here we go. All right, we're up and running, guys. Thanks for watching.